This is gonna be, if you find this is gonna be me repairing him. God, there's so many parts that are broken. Okay. So current status is he's missing an arm. He only has his one leg. I need to tear this off. A lot of ripping sounds. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna glue particles down here. Okay. I guess. Mr. Snowcam, I guess. While I try to figure out these parts. Let's get to look at him. I have to do all this with my bare hands because I don't know where the scissors are. Oh god, that sucks so much. This inner thing, because he's made a lot of cardboard. His wrist is like fucked. Yeah, look at. It's not the glue because I just didn't double it up, so it's not as flimsy. Okay. I'm probably just gonna fold it. I gotta wait for the glue gun to heat up, but so yeah, this is gonna be an interesting experience. I just gotta wait for the glue gun to heat up. This one goes to that leg. Yep. That, and that to that. Okay. Cool. Hashtag warning maxing. Cool. Bubbles glue. Okay, it's on. What to do first? What? Let's do this. Birthday's in a few days. It's gonna be fun. Sometimes I wonder if the man doesn't talk, it isn't actually talking to me, if it's just a manifestation of schizophrenia. But I would know if it was. Yeah. I need more commentary here. Yeah, Minecraft's. I need to get that. I need to keep asking for that Xbox stuff. I keep forgetting. Oh, please don't tell me. Yeah. Okay. Now it's gonna break. Okay. Yeah. I must have poorly constructed this guy, because like everything's falling apart. How's the teddy bear game going? Yeah, that's good. Good itch. Okay. Okay, let's fold this over. Like this. Guys, if we get to 50 subs, I'll do a outdoors video. I actually want to do something like that pretty soon. Guys, gotta fill in that hole. Okay. I'll just say this is acceptable. Okay. Yeah, I put it right there. But now, yeah. Okay. First part's done. I'll fix them up in a second. I think. I think this part goes to here. She put my name. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing. That's cringy as fuck. I kind of lose some nerves, I guess, when I do hot glue because I just kind of have to spread it a little bit, so it's probably burns some nerves, which isn't good, but the labors of creation. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Okay. Hopefully that one doesn't break. This is an arm. This is a leg. This is the leg. This is the leg. Oh my god. I'm brain rotted. I was about to say, this is a crafting table. Yo. That kind of looked like they're something. You know what? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, it broke. You know what? I don't care. Maybe it was right that I need to make him a better body. Oh, your plane of existence, huh? Okay. Oh yeah. I got denied one of my applications for a job. That's pain. Yeah, so let's see if I can get that second application can go through. So I felt better about the second application than the first. Okay, that should be good. Okay, the leg idea is gone. So, we ball. This better be an entertaining video, guys, because it's just me talking as I'm trying to repair this thing. Because it's gonna take a second. Bear cam. Okay. Oh god, that looks really contorted on the screen. I'm just looking at the screen now. My wrist looks like totally screwed up. I think. Yeah. It looks a little wonky. should be good. Okay. Aggressive, very aggressive on that glue, but does it really look like that on the camera? Okay, yeah, it looks a little bit different for me. It doesn't look as, yeah, he looks like a lot more saturated on like camera. Must be like a bug. Okay. Maybe. Okay. We're just gonna leave that like that for a while. We're done. Okay. So. We're just gonna leave it like that for a while. I guess we're just gonna leave it like this, and yeah. Bear cam.